Today I'm going to show you guys how to quickly add shortcuts to your Apple Watch. That should work providing you have a fairly recent Apple Watch. So first of all, you want to go to your iPhone and then click on shortcuts, okay? It's very important that you click on shortcuts. That is the absolute biggest step that you have to do. And then once you are in shortcuts, what you will want to do is click the three dots on whatever shortcut you have. Like I have this shortcut. This is what I have open right now. It opens YouTube, plain and simple. I'm going to click on the I and then I'm going to click on the show on Apple Watch option. So then it shows on the Apple Watch, plain and simple. Now that we did that, what we will want to do is click on the watch icon. And then from there, we should be able to select our watch face right here and change the compilation to whatever we want to. And we should easily be able to change it to shortcuts. Now, if we go to the Apple Watch, you'll be able to see shortcuts as an option. Yeah, as you can see, the shortcut worked just fine. It appeared just fine on the Apple Watch. So yeah, hopefully you found this helpful in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.